I've been traveling across Texas, discovering what makes each city unique. Now, it's time to explore Houston, one of the most diverse cities in the country. And for the next few days, I'm going to experience everything it has to offer on just $100. Before we get started, I have to get food. So the very first place we're gonna go is a place called the Breakfast Klub. Birds are loud. But yeah, the Breakfast Klub. This place is famous for its Southern style cooking with this chicken and waffles flagship meal. So we're gonna check that out. The Breakfast Klub is a black-owned establishment founded by Marcus Davis. With that last name, we might be related, so what's up, Unc? Their flagship meal was absolutely incredible. The waffle was soft, buttery, with just the right amount of sweetness. The chicken was crispy on the outside while being juicy on the inside and packed with flavor. Definitely a must-stop if you are in Houston. But a little pro tip, get there early because the line can be devastatingly long. This temple is absolutely beautiful. It's incredible, from the architecture all the way to the poles that they have, and it's hard to put into words how beautiful this place is. You can't take pictures or videos inside the actual temple itself, so it's something you have to see for the gardens right here. Something you have to see for yourself. So to be respectful, I have to take off my sneakers. So, and yeah, this is a nice little cubby area. One common thing that I kept seeing whenever I read descriptions of their, lack of better words, deities, or I guess their spiritual leaders, is that they kept mentioning God with a capital G, and these people or spirits, whatever they were, they would help people reach God realization. Now, I am not a Hindu. I actually do not prescribe to any theological belief. But I am curious on what they mean when they say God with a capital G. Who is that? So I gotta do some more research on this topic. I don't mind looking into things that are different from mine. I prefer to go out my realm of comfortability and explore things that are different from me, different than what I grew up with. So seeing this temple and seeing what they believe in it definitely expanded my understanding and my insight to the Hindu faith. So yeah, shout out to all my Hindus, all my Hindu people out there. Whenever I did my research on Houston, I didn't see anybody on YouTube go to this temple over there. So kind of cool being the first one to do it. Soft spot for cities. Cities are just, I don't know, they're like the perfect human ecosystem. There's always something to do, always something to see, always some place to go, and Houston does not skip on any of that. This is my third time being up here. The first time I was up here it was my fourth time up here now. The first time I was here, it was because I was a part of this MLM thing, and we took a business trip down here. That's a whole different story for a whole other video. You know, every time I'm up here, I always see something new. There's always something new to see in Houston. That's what's so cool about this city. There's always something to see, always something new to do. It's incredible. Truth Barbecue is one of Texas' most popular Texas spots. Known for its pork barbecue ribs with its exquisite brisket, it's really popular. It's so popular, matter of fact, that they are known to not only have lines that are just as bad, maybe even worse than Breakfast Klub, but they can sell out of their most popular items early. So if you do plan on making a trip down here, go to Truth's and go there early, because not only will there be a line, but what you want may not even be there, which in my case was the situation. So unfortunately, we're all out of brisket and ribs, which I physically came from. But yeah, the next best things, which is this turkey and pulled pork. Still smacks regardless, but if you come to Houston, you have to try Truth's. Their sauce, impeccable. I am stuffed. But now it's time for us finally to check into where I'll be staying for tonight. So this is where I'll be staying tonight. I'm not going to include the price in the budget because if you know me real life, I'm a little bit bougie, so I'd rather not stay in some dingy place that I won't be able to sleep in. So it is what it is. I'm not totaling this into the budget, but this is all the basic necessities. It has nice clean bed, you know, a nice little couch chill area, a desk, nice little TV, nice clean bathroom. Not much of a view. This is home base for tonight, and I'll be leaving tomorrow. So after a much needed nap, I am at Post Houston Skyline. It's this rooftop garden that overlooks the Houston skyline. It is absolutely beautiful, and I caught it right as sunset was started. So I'm gonna just chill here for a little bit and just enjoy the sunset. I decided to go out and check out Houston's nightlife. It's a Thursday, so I wasn't expecting many people to show out, but it was actually more of an interesting time than I thought, and here are the results of that. So keep in mind, I'm a couple of rum and cokes in, so no judgment. And that's for certain, never take no program, come me and me own dance, so me go and chada. Tell them I'm a winner, yeah. Not pop, no, not Joe, not Tony, not sinner, oh, man still a believer. Day 2 of Houston. Day 1 was lit, but day 2, there's still so much more to see, still so much more to do. So I'm about to just quickly pack up my things and check out this hotel, because checkout's at 11. I hate that time because it seems so early, but it is what it is. I'm hungry anyway, so after we check out, we'll get some food and then start our day. I think I got everything. So yeah, come check out. Okay, so for breakfast, I got myself a kolache. I'm not even sure what a kolache even is, but it should be interesting. It looks like a little bun with some good stuff in there. I got the brisket, cheddar, jalapeno, and egg kolache, so this should be interesting. So let's see. Oh, let's see the tear. Here I am at the Buffalo Bayou Cistern tour thing. I'm not sure what to expect from this, but I figured it'd be kind of a fun little activity to do, just to get a little bit of a backstory of this pretty iconic location in Houston.
All together. So I'm going to count to 3 and we'll do 1 clap. Get ready in 1, 2, 3. So it feels pretty big, huh? Now I'm going to go ahead and reveal the cistern to you fully. I'm going to ask you to make your way over here with me, people that are farther along.
Cistern was originally made to be a drinking water reservoir for the city of Houston. There's 221 standing columns. Each of them are about 25 feet long. When it was built in the 1920s, it cost about $180,000 to make. But if you tweak those numbers to fit today's inflation, that would equate to about $1.8 million today to create this. It's quite spectacular. That was really cool. I didn't think it would be, that cool, but it was decent. It was a good little time. $18 well spent. I mean, it was beautiful. I didn't know what to expect, but I'm glad I went on that tour. In a few moments, I'll be in a helicopter taking a tour. I'm gonna be honest, I'm a little bit nervous because I kinda hate heights, but this seems like a really fun and cool opportunity, so why not give it a shot?